Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix add phone number option is missing in Roblox. So what you need to do here first is to go to your settings here. Then you need to go to a account info and then you will see phone number if it's available for you. If you don't see this option, there is few different reasons. So first of all, your age is below 13, so you change your age basically more than 13 years old, and then you should able to change your phone number. Another reason is that your account is that you put your particular phone number, it now is banned and you cannot change it. And the third reason, some countries is basically Roblox is not supported in some countries. So probably if you don't see the phone number option for you in your particular country, Roblox is not supported. So there is three different reasons why you don't see this option. And if you want to know exactly why you don't see this option, you just need to go to help and safety here, and then you just need to go to a help center and contact a support, or simply I believe you just need to write support here. No, but you just need to contact a support and you will have exact reason why you don't have it.